What up, buddy, yo? I'm Kyle, and in this video, I'm going over some food, yo, some pizza from Domino's. So what we got today is we got the chicken taco pizza from Domino's right here. You know what I mean? We got some. It is on a thin crust, and it has American cheese. It has bacon. It has tomato. It has chicken. It has onion, and it has taco seasoning. And yeah, I added the bacon. It doesn't originally come with bacon. I just added the bacon on top because I fucking love bacon, bruh. Honestly, bacon's fire, fire. So yeah, yup. But now let's fucking bite taste this bitch. Mm. 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 Fire. Tastes just like a taco. Mm. Taste some ranch. I know you don't eat chicken tacos with the ranch, but it's a pizza, so fuck it. Don't forget to stay hydrated, nice and balanced. Mm. Let me know what pizzas you guys like. Either Domino's, Papa John's, Pizza Hut, and yeah, Little Caesars, all them little, pizza places. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. That was fire. I ain't gonna lie. I would rate this a like for a pizza, I want to say like a 7 out of 10. Like, it's good. Like, I would buy this, you know what I mean? Like, to be different. But would I choose to buy this every day? Like, is my to-go to? No. But it is a good specialty pizza to have every once in a while. I like it. Like I said, 7 out of 10 from Domino's chicken taco pizza. I wouldn't eat it with ranch. It doesn't taste too good. But that's that. And I have their dessert called the chocolate lava cakes. And what it is just, like chocolate breading with like chocolate inside. When you bite it, it's in the middle. You know what I'm saying? So. These have been out for a minute, so I'm pretty sure you guys know what this is by now. When you guys order from Domino's, I work there. So, when you order from Domino's, they are a franchise. So not everybody's going to have completely the same shit. Because each individual owner can do their own thing. So, just know that. Lava cakes, 9 out of 10. Good. Just a little, like the cake inside for me is a little too much. Or the icing inside. Whatever the fuck you want to call it. But, yeah, that shit's good. I recommend this. Pretty good. Like I said, 7 out of 10 for the pizza. That's a passing rate. And 9 out of 10 for the lava cakes. Really good. But yeah, that's all I got in this video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Is it Malloy?